Number 43, a projectile is fired from the ground level with an initial velocity, v naught. Which of the following statements is true? All right, so let's look at A. The vertical component of the velocity at point C is v naught sine theta. So the vertical component of C, at C, there is no velocity in the vertical component once we hit the apex of the curve. So it's going to be equal to 0. So A is not good. The horizontal component at the velocity at point C is v naught cosine theta. Well, if we go back to the ground and we draw the horizontal component here, we can see that this would be the adjacent side. So that's cosine theta. And we know that the horizontal component never changes through the path. So B looks like a good choice. And let's see, the projectile travels with the same speed at point B and D. Well, since they're at the same height in the path, it would have the same exact speed and also time. Obviously, this velocity, or this velocity would be in the positive direction. This guy here would be in the negative direction. But since we're talking about speed, and speed is a scalar, they would be the same. Let's look at why D is not a good choice. The acceleration at point C is 0. Well, the acceleration at point C is g downward. So that's not a good choice either. B and C would be your answers.